Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today we're going to be making some hidden paper clips with some initials. I have used my papers for the VIP Lounge membership for the month of April. In case you guys are new to me, my VIP Lounge is simply a membership that I offer on my website, where every month you get tons and tons and tons of digital goodies just for you guys to download and print. Starting price from £2. I don't really know what you get nowadays with £2. You definitely can't get anything. In UK, certainly you can't get a coffee. So it's a fantastic value for money. And it's especially for the beginners as well, where every month I send you some treats. Okay, guys, before I show you how to make those cuties, because if you put a page there, they work as paperclip. Okay. In fact, you can't see it because it's hidden. That will be the front of the page and that's the back of the page. Before I show you how to make it, let me showcase all the papers and everything that you get the month of April. The main theme for April is gardening. Okay, so the first kit is called Whispers from the Garden, and it's a collection of, like, there's a lot of florals, there's a lot of like natural textures. I'm just gonna give you a quick flick through. So you've got one page here with a lovely background, like wood and flowers. Then you've got a page with all the wellies for gardening. Gardening tools. The palette is all the same. So there's this baby blue, pastels and pinks. Okay, so it's all working together. This page here, you've got 4 backgrounds scaled. So you can make like card bases, greetings card, vintage cards. You can either do like little seeds packets, things like that. You've got a page with butterflies decoration and some ephemera pieces that you can either layer, because these butterflies are bigger than this, so you can layer them up. Another background with all like the gnome, the boots, the Wellington boots, some lavender, the bees, everything you need in the garden. Another plain background with wood textures. Of course, couldn't be a kit without some watering cans. And just a plain small case floral background. Oh, this is my favorite page of the kit, because it's got these very bright blues and pinks. Then you got a page with 3 tags, 1, 2, 3, and then an envelope. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it because it's quite, oh yeah, if I zoom it in, you can see them all. Each month you get a collection of bookmarks or tags. This month the bundle is this one. It says 4 very large rectangular tags. Again, you can use, they're designed to be bookmarks, but you can use as tags as well. Again, there is like birds, there is fruit, there is like natural things, and there's like magazines. I do like a little collage. Love these. Then each month you get a letter gift box. We nearly finished the alphabet. We are on letter X. And this month is this one here. So you get, this is probably the easiest letter to be put together, because you get the front and the back, which are exactly the same, and then you get 2 tabs for that, and then the two square tags from the top, okay, which is 2, 3 and 4. Very easy to make, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done up. This is what it looks like when it's done up in 3D. Very easy to make, and all my 3D gift box letters stand up, okay, because as I said, 3D. Very easy to make, and I think it's super cute with this month papers. Let me show you all the alphabet that we've done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month. that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, letter X. Every month you also get a digital magazine. Now this month I'm gifting you Molly Makes. Molly Makes is a magazine that does all sorts of crafting, not just paper craft, but it's jewellery making, there is knitting, there is paper craft, there is card making. So it's more crafting on a 360 degrees. So loads ideas and inspirations. So this edition is from April 2013, and it has 108 pages. And yeah, loads. It's probably one of my favorite craft magazine because, as I said, it's not just paper. So you get all different, as you can see, I'm giving you a quick flip through. You get all different projects. Last but not least, every month you get a gift from me, which is normally another digital paper set. And this month is this one. It's called the Garden Fairies. Of course, it's a little gift that I'm giving you, and it's all the alphabet with the lovely fairies. Okay, so we got A to H. So there's 8 cards on each page. Then we got letter I to letter P. Lovely. Q to Z. And then the last page, I decided to give you 4 large backgrounds that you can do anything that you want with them. I've got a couple of ideas of what I want to do with these papers. So yeah, this is what you get for the month of April. Starting price is £2 a month, and I don't really know what you get nowadays with £2. I know you can't get a coffee because coffee is becoming very expensive, but yes, so all of this for as little as 2 months. Okay guys, so I have done thousands and thousands and thousands of paperclip videos on my channel, so you know how a paperweight hidden paperclips works. But in case you haven't watched it and this is the first video that you watch from me, hello, I'll show you how to make it. So I'm going to do 2. I think I'm going to use Mallow and the King Cup. I think I'm going to use those 2. Okay, what am I going to do? I think, yeah, so let me cut this from the paper. I'm going to layer it with some doily. I've got here 3 colored doilies, and then I'm going to put them on a cardstock. It doesn't have to be extremely thick, so this is not a thicker cardstock, but it's got to have a little bit of strength, because otherwise your paperclip won't kind of like be steady in your book. Okay, so I've done one, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So on the back it looks like this. It's all nice and tidy. So if we pretend, let me get a page. So if we pretend this is a page, the paperclip will work like that. So that's the back of the page, and of course the front will be the paperclip. Okay, so it looks quite nice and tidy. So that's the front. So how we make it? So as usual, you need a piece of cardstock, fold it in half, put a paperclip and do yellow on yellow for pure coincidence. It doesn't really matter because you won't see the paperclip. Okay, and then we're just gonna put some adhesive. I use double-sided tape. You guys are familiar with my channel now, so you know that I barely use glue nowadays. I just think double-sided tape is so quick. Glue, you need to wait for that to dry, and also sometimes the glue makes like the project wet and change the consistency of the paper. Then we need another piece of cardstock, bigger than what we just done, fold it in half again, and this will be this bit that you see. Okay, we could trim it, to be fair, but yeah, I'm gonna trim it a little bit because I don't want it to be too big. You don't need to be. And then we just put the paper clip that we just done on the back of this one, and then we're gonna put some more glue or double-sided tape, whatever you guys prefer, on the top one as well. See how quick it is, and you just simply peel it off. So and I find double-sided tape, it gives it more strength rather than glue. Okay, so that's the hidden paper clip, so it's in there so you can't see it, that's why it's called hidden. And then now we're just going to put adhesive on this piece here. And then that's going to go on the back of this one. And that is another hidden, again, this is a page, let's pretend this is a page. It will go like that, it will stay like that. So that's the back of the page, and that's the front. Okay, what do you guys think? These are extremely addictive to make, and this, I think as well, like, they are fabulous craft fair ideas. You know, if you can make them and sell them in books, you can actually make one for each alphabet and see what sells better, you know, with the initial of the person. These are super like bespoke gift as well. You can, you know, the choices is yours. So I made two, but again, you can use the entire alphabet. Right guys, if you wish to join my VIP membership, let me share where to find it on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name on it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay, then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template, we do in alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members, and I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I'm looking forward to have you part of my membership. All the links are down below. And I hope you like this little project showcasing the papers. Big thumbs up if you do. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a notification. So it's really, really much appreciated. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, stay safe and well, mwah. Bye.